Hi, I'm Scott, owner of Home Perfect Restoration. I want to thank you and welcome you to the Home Perfect family. We want to give you guys referral rewards, and we're going to give you 10% of any job that you refer to us that you can use as credits towards your next cleaning. Some of our top clients never pay for carpet cleaning. They get it done for free every single year. We can spend money on marketing and advertising, but word of mouth and a referral goes so much further. So we want to thank you. We want to reward you for just simply spreading our name to your friends, your family, your neighbors. If you're not in the local area anymore and you still want to refer us, let us know what charity is near and dear to your heart and we will send them your referral rewards donation. The good thing about this is it's the same as cash. So when you're building these and accumulating them, you can use them with any discount or special offer that we're doing. So thank you again for using Home Perfect and trusting us in your home.